La da da da. Hey, goodbye. Good riddance. Hold up.
You guys need a boogeyman, and you need to seek help. You abos need to seek help.
Yeah, man, I just think
Look, he got to think about his next line.
Let the story begin.
The psychological warfare that's being waged against our people is real. It needs to be addressed. You know what I mean? And it's like we have to wait to.
The one thing that I agree with him with is the psychological warfare against our people has been waged. And we got to stand up and do what it is. The problem is he's a part of the problem. He is the one that is running around here confusing the fuck out of the identity of black people in America. Him, all his cronies, Tariq Nasheed, all of them other motherfuckers, and we finna get to it.
No ID on the track, let the story begin.
To somebody else outside of us address it. No, we have to address it as far as, putting pressure.
Remember this. Remember what he said right here. I'm going to run it back. I need y'all to remember what he said right here. I'm going to go back, listen to who he say needs to address it. And what first he going to say what the problem is, and then who needs to address it. Listen to this. I'm finna show you the hypocrisy in this Negro.
You know what I mean? Yeah. And it's like we have to wait to somebody else outside of us address it. No, we have to address it as far as, putting pressure on these.
Who is Kurimeo?
La da da da. Hey, goodbye. Good riddance. Hold up.
Yes. Who is Kurimeo? First, let me give Shaun P and YK the Truth shout out for seeing what the fuck's going on. All right? These niggas is all grifters and they fucking preying on the people. Now, let me show you who the fuck Kurimeo is. This is a motherfucker that was sitting on my page, as you can see. It says 5 years ago. But this video I put up is actually from like 2017. So this quote, this statement he left on my page is more than 5 years old. See, these niggas been quietly sitting on my page and other people's pages like myself, getting information from us and then reconfiguring it, retailoring it to fit their narrative. But this is the reason why Kurimeo never had nothing to say about Turtle Gang or his fucking people, because he knew I'd be on his fucking ass, because that bitch ass nigga was sitting on my page since 2015, 16, just like fucking Dane Calloway, just like this bitch ass nigga Queef Johnson. Oh yeah, this shit been personal with me. That's why I had to get low on these niggas, right? These is all the fuck niggas that been disrespecting and slandering Turtle Gang for the past 4, 5, 6 years. So salute to all y'all out there, YK, Shaun P, Not a Coincidence, and everybody else out there that been doing the work, shutting these fucking weird niggas down. Peace.
He ain't us. He ain't one of us. Who is Kurimeo? You see the hypocrisy? Who is Kurimeo? What is Kurimeo doing? He's the father of your whole movement. You Negroes hopped on his dick and started riding that bitch since 2015, 16. And then Dane try to sauce it up and come with his own angle on some whole little let's just deny, flip the script type shit.
To somebody else outside of us address it. No, we have to address it as far as, putting pressure on these people for miseducating us.
Right.
La da da da. Hey, goodbye. Good riddance. Hold up.
There's no evidence of anyone arriving in the Americas and noting the existence of black people.
Only rapper to rewrite history without a pen. No ID on the track, let the story begin.
Now let me show you where this little weird South American, Argentinian, wherever the fuck he is, nigga tried to twist the information up. Nowhere in this bill did I state that most Spaniards were dark skinned. Nowhere did I state that. Didn't come up. In fact, these people that were shipwrecked, they were very fair skinned, very light skinned. Nothing dark about them. But this is him trying to rework my build to conform to his narrative, which was the Moors that came here and conquered were dark skinned.